All right, we're back with a new plugin that we're releasing. I'm calling it OpenGrapher, and we basically built this plugin off of a combination of factors. One was a requirement from a client, and the other one was inspiration from this post by Yoast. Basically, it's a way to, on the front end side of things, it's a way to add the official share badges from the big five and track them using Google Analytics and Clicky if you have them installed. And that's exactly what this will do. That's one aspect of it. You can see here that these are live buttons in action. It adds the like, the send, the tweet, the +1, the share, and the stumble. So that's one thing. But the cool thing about this plugin is it also gives you pretty much infinite control over your OpenGrapher tags, which are what Facebook uses for the verbs and nouns and everything in their system. So if you look here at our HTML, you'll see that these properties are all being set right here. Now, the way you do that is when you install OpenGrapher, you'll have a new menu item here, and there's two options underneath it. One is where you set the default tags, and the other one is where you configure the display. So basically, when you come in here, it'll ask you to fill in a whole bunch of different fields and click Save Changes. That'll act as the default if nothing else is present. Then when you create a new article, for example, if you look in here, the plugin also adds fields to override it at a specific post level. So it'll default to the title of the post, the headline of the post up here. But if you want to override that and have it be something else, you can type in a different Open Graph title. You can type in a different type. For example, if it were a video, you can change it to video. For whatever reason, I don't know why you'd want to, but you can change the URL. So if someone clicks the URL, it doesn't actually it doesn't actually calculate the like for that URL. You can, when you click like, it adds an image. You can dictate which one that is. By the way, if you don't specify one here, and you have a featured image on the post down here, for example, it'll default to the featured image, or you can override it here. Again, you can override the site name. Again, I'm not sure why you'd want to do that, but you can. And you can give it you can override the description, which will check first to see if there is an excerpt, and if there's no excerpt, it will default to the description of the site. Then you can add the pointer to the video here, the video height, the video type, the video width. And then finally, you have your app ID, page ID, and FB admins. If you're not familiar with all those, what it is, yeah, you could just check out Facebook Developer on. It's easy just to go Facebook. It's easy just to run a search for Facebook Open Graph, and you'll get a little tutorial on what all this stuff is if you want to delve deeper into it. And that's really it. I encourage you to leave us feedback and let us know what you'd like to add from Open Graph, Facebook, or anything else in between. Thanks.